quick little video on some of the things I do to make my my magnets. Firstly, I use take these out of the way. I use steel tubing, okay, and that's yeah, showing steel tubing, and oh, those things sure love coming together on the side. Now what I've done, I use also just a tube cutter to cut them, and set that stuff aside. And then I use a little Dremel. Use a little Dremel here with what do you call it? Sandpaper on the side to remove any burrs or what have you. And then, okay, what I've done, okay, the first video I showed you my magnets were in these casings, and I've cut a couple, an eighth of an inch longer to show you another demonstration. The North Pole appears to be a lot stronger on the taller ones, than on the shorter ones. Something I wanted to mention, I use, these are plastic calipers. They're kind of handy when you're dealing with magnets. My digital calipers are steel, and they generally like to, well, you can see what they like to do. Anyway, over to the magnets here. I thought I would show you the North Pole. Well, it's showing all south, okay, and then flipping it over, it's all south again, okay, but about halfway down, I don't know if that's in the, halfway down, you'll see it has a northern attraction, okay, and so the closer we get to the top, so but this north attraction is a lot weaker than the south, okay. Pardon me. So it doesn't take much to get the there's the north, and as I move it away it starts to sway away, okay. I turn that and immediately I have the south. So yeah, when we're building the magnet motor, we want to minimize the amount of attraction, because when the rotor is spinning and going past your opposing magnets, the less attraction that's there, the better. But the other thing is, something to consider is as a repulsive magnet comes towards a repulsive magnet, it's still going to repulse, and it may turn it back, okay. So there's going to have to be something to cause the magnet to carry on repelling and repelling and repelling, okay. And so when I finally get to the point where I'm putting this whole thing together, I'll show you what's happening, and what else, and how I'm setting up the magnets on the rotor and the stator, or if you call it a stator. It has no wires, so all it is a drive for a generator. So anyway, that's about it. Actually, I think the smaller, the shorter, like these are, what are they here now? Whoop. These are, whoop. These are 5/8, and these here are, I'm pretty sure, 3/4. Yeah, they're 3/4. So they're an eighth of an inch longer, the taller ones, and I'm thinking that they're not going to be as good as the shorter ones. They seem to be, there seems to be an optimum for this, and so that's about it, okay. Now, why I use my Dremel to clear out the burrs and everything is these are pretty hard to force together. Once they're together, they stay together. But in order to get them together, there's one little trick that I'm not showing anybody yet, and it'll come in time. But because they're so hard to get into there to begin with, any little burrs or anything are just going to make it that much more difficult. So I try to clean them up as much as possible. And so let's see, anything else? Nope, that's about it. So have a good day. Hope you enjoyed this and hope it helps you. Okay, bye-bye.